In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Coinbase like a pro trader. By the end, you'll know how to set up securely, navigate the advanced interface, place smart orders, and track your performance with confidence. First, get your account set up and secure. Create your Coinbase account and complete identity verification so you can deposit and withdraw without limits. Immediately enable two-factor authentication for extra protection, ideally with an authenticator app rather than SMS for stronger security. Then connect a bank account or a card so you can move money in and out smoothly. Take a moment to review your security settings and never share your login or recovery codes. Next, learn the layout so you can move quickly. Open Coinbase and switch to the advanced trading interface, often referred to as Coinbase Pro or Advanced Trade, for deeper tools and better control. Your dashboard shows overall balances and recent activity. The trade or market section is where you choose pairs and place orders. The orders page lets you track anything open, filled or cancelled, so you always know what's happening with your trades. If you need the app or want to use the website, you'll find the official download link and site link right at the top of the description. Now deposit funds. You can transfer from a linked bank account or bring in crypto from an external wallet. Before you confirm, check fees and processing times. On the advanced interface, fees are typically lower than simple buy and sell, especially if you use limit orders and provide liquidity. Understand your order types so you pick the right tool for the job. A market order executes instantly at the current price. Great when speed matters. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want to buy or sell, perfect for strategic entries and exits. A stop order can automatically sell if price drops to your chosen level, helping you protect profits or cap losses. Analyze the market before you click buy. Use candlestick charts to spot trends, support, and resistance. Watch trading volume to gauge conviction. Keep an eye on news and upcoming events, since they can move prices quickly. When you're ready, choose a coin like BTC, ETH or others and decide your approach. Short-term traders aim for quick, smaller moves. Long-term holders buy and keep for months or years. Place a market, limit or stop order based on your plan. Manage risk at all times. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders and avoid concentrating everything in a single asset. Finally, track your performance. Monitor your portfolio regularly, adjust your strategy as results come in, and keep a trading journal to learn from wins and mistakes. Thanks for watching.